Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Envee Emoni if you're new here, and welcome to day 18 of Vlogtember. Today's video I have a fall lookbook for you, and I put together 5 different outfits, so I hope you enjoy. Let's get started. So this is my first fall outfit. I just have on this, what is it? I don't know, I want to say sombrero, but that's Spanish for like, it's not it. So I just have on this, I'm gonna call it a brim hat from Target. Actually, the majority that I have on right now is from Target. So this hat is from Target. I got it last fall and I never got a chance to wear it. So here we have it. We also have this beaded bag from Target as well. And then this little cardigan jacket thing is from Target. Then this is just a H&M basic little ribbed shirt. Then I have on these wide leg Fashion Nova jeans, and yeah, so this is the first fit, you know. Okay, so this is the second look. I just have the blazer slash coat from my ASOS haul that I posted earlier in the week. I have this H&M belt. And this is also a H&M little zebra printed mock neck sheer type of shirt. And then I just have it paired with some jeans and some tall knee-high boots that are from Zara, which I never got a chance to wear last season. And yeah, I'll do a close-up of everything that you can't see, but I'm mainly just focused on the top. Like, I don't know, but the earrings is giving with the lilac coat. I don't know, but this season I'm definitely feeling bolder printed shirts under a nice little calm colored blazer or calm colored anything on top. It just, I don't know, a wild printed shirt underneath just gives it a pop. Even though this has a button, I'm liking how the belt makes it cinched in. It just, I don't know, it adds a little flair to it. So that's super cute as well. Like, super cute, super casual, super cute, like just super cute. But yeah, I just love this look. Oh yeah, I did know they had pockets. I forgot that they had pockets, but it's so cute. I need to rip them open sooner rather than later. I'll probably do that later. I need a seam ripper. Oh no, I don't. Okay, so I have the pocket ripped. I am back with look number 3. So this look is just a shoot, I forgot what these are called. God bless me. So I forgot what these hats are called. I want to call it a hat. I mean, not a hat. I want to call it a tam, because that's what I used to call it. Like, I don't know. But I don't know. I just have on this mustard colored, you know, this mustard color this. Then I have on this, this is actually the high neck from my ASOS haul, like earlier this week. And then I just have on some jeans, you know, cool little fit. And then I just have this Kate Spade bag, you know, it's a classic, so I'm rocking out with it, you know. So yeah, you can't really go wrong with this because it's just like so simple. Yeah, and I have on the same earrings from the last outfit because I felt like they matched enough to go with it. Plus it's a statement earring for a simple fit. So there we got it. Here we have it. So some jeans, black high neck, mustard colored cap, statement earring, nice bag. Oh, a textured bag at that to bring some texture to the fit. And I will probably wear these with Doc Martens. They're over there, which you'll see in the next outfit. So win-win situation. You know, I am back with the fourth outfit, and I just have on these faux leather pants. And yeah, I have this clip right here because if you saw my, what is it, Pretty Little Thing try on haul way back when quarantine first started, then you know that they sent me like a faulty pair and the zipper doesn't work, so I had to clip it for the video's purposes. So yeah, I have on these faux leather pants, Pretty Little Thing, this Pretty Little Thing dress, but I made it into a top because I actually like the way it looks with the blazer and the pants. Then I just have a Kate Spade clutch, and then for the shoe, like I stated in the previous video, in the previous outfit, that I was gonna wear Doc Martens with it. I feel like this gives it a more like, I don't know, a low-key rock star type of vibe. Whenever I see leather pants with Docs, I think rock star. So that's what it's giving me. But the blazer is toning down the rock star. So yeah, I mean, can't be mad at it, honestly. So for the fifth and final outfit, I just have this silk satin type of skirt from Target, matched with this black turtleneck, and also this jean jacket also from Target, and then a black handbag clutch type of thing. So this is kind of, well, actually really simple but still cute. I don't know, I really like this. Kind of like a crocodile type of print. So really cute, really simple, really chic, you know. So this is all I have for this video. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and come back tomorrow for more.